Hi there, I'm Alex Holsworth. Zebra has an extensive range of rugged mobile computers designed for organizations of all sizes. Today, we're going to take a look at Zebra's latest Android mobile computer designed for small and medium-sized businesses. Let's take a look at this in more detail. Just about every worker in a small and medium-sized business can benefit from mobility, but cost-effective devices that fit the budget typically fall short on features. Today, I want to show you that this is no longer the case. Are you looking for one multi-purpose device that meets the needs of virtually every use case with a common set of accessories? Are you looking for a mobile computer to manage and train your workers to use? Zebra is introducing the MC2200 and 2700, which are ultra lightweight general purpose mobile computers. These are perfect if you're looking for a feature-rich device which is rugged yet cost-effective. The MC2200 and 2700 are key-based devices and use the most advanced Android platform, as well as being ergonomically designed for all-day use. The MC2200 supports Wi-Fi, NFC and Bluetooth 5 connectivity, with the MC2700 additionally supporting 4G on top of this. Weighing just 296 grams, the MC2200 and 2700 weigh up to 20% lighter than many competitive models. The rechargeable battery is fully removable, supporting power precision and warm swap. A 3500 mAh battery comes as standard, providing 17 hours of runtime, and you have the option to upgrade to a 4900 mAh battery, which increases the runtime to a full 24 hours. Additionally, the device has an optional 13 megapixel color camera with flash if you need to take photos of inventory, proof of condition, or delivery. The keypad is designed for ease of use in any condition. All the keys are comfortably reached by the thumb during single-handed use, and the scan key is centrally located. The 34-key keyboard provides the perfect balance of touchscreen and keyboard interaction, making it easy for users to migrate to Android. The MC2200 and 2700 has an attachable trigger handle, which quickly converts your device into gun-style form factor for data capture-intensive applications. The handle easily snaps onto the device with no tools needed, and does not impede any other features such as NFC or the rear-facing camera. The dual trigger distributes pressure across 2 fingers, making the device suitable for higher workloads. The desktop cradle has an integrated USB-C connector that allows the easy docking of the MC2200 or 2700, even with the attachable trigger handle installed. A desktop USB cradle and device can be purchased together as a part of a kit. The MC2200 is perfect for environments that have a Wi-Fi connectivity. Zebra's worry-free Wi-Fi and full fusion, which is available on the optional Mobility DNA Enterprise license, offers a robust and business-critical Wi-Fi connection anywhere within the Wi-Fi network. The MC2700 is ideal in environments where there's poor or no Wi-Fi coverage, such as yards and ports. You can use voice over IP applications, such as Zebra's Workforce Connect, to support voice communications. MC2700 SKUs include nano SIM card slot or optional eSIM support. Please note that the cellular connection is data only. Both devices have 2 tiers of features: base SKUs with standard features and P1 SKUs, which includes a 3 and 32 GB flash memory, NFC for tap to pair, and a 13 megapixel rear-facing camera with flash. On the MC2700, you also have the option to have an eSIM support on P1 SKUs. The MC2200 is an ideal fit for environments with Wi-Fi infrastructure, for tasks such as inventory management and material tracking in manufacturing. The MC2200 can also be used in warehousing and distribution for asset tracking and shipping and packing. In retail, you can use a device for inventory counts, online pickup, or in-store picking, which is an increasingly popular way of omni-channel shopping. The MC2700 supports cellular data as well as Wi-Fi connectivity, making it an excellent choice for facilities with less than ideal or no Wi-Fi coverage, such as dock management or yard movement. In field service, it can be used for direct store delivery as well as field sales, servicing and repairs. The device can be used in postal and courier use cases as well for proof of delivery or condition. The MC2200 sits lower in our key-based mobile computing portfolio, below the mid-tier MC2300X and the industry-leading MC2300. The MC2200 comes in brick form factor with optional snap-on trigger handle. If you desire more form factors, the MC3300X has 4 form factors, which are the gun, rotating head, straight shooter, and straight shooter at 45 degrees. The MC2200 has one scan engine capable of 1D and 2D scanning. The MC3300X has 1D, 2D, or extended range 2D scanner options. The MC3300X has 3 different keypad options, whereas the MC2200 has the one optimized keypad. Both devices have a 4-inch touchscreen, whilst the MC3300X has better glove support and a brighter display. The MC2200 offers a curated selection of features at a price point that offers long-term value, but the MC3300X offers more flexibility and can be tailored to more specific applications. Many end users will be migrating from Zebra's previous value tier mobile computer, the Windows CE MC2180. The most notable change is the operating system, with the MC2200 being an Android 10 device, which will be upgradable to future Android operating systems. The MC2200 is slightly larger than the previous model, however it remains remarkably lightweight whilst offering many enhancements such as a 4-inch display compared to the 2.8-inch display on the legacy model. Additionally, the snap-on trigger handle and 4G functionality, which are available on the MC2700, was not previously an option. The MC2180 cradle and device kit was very popular, so we continue to offer this, each with a special USB-C charge cradle for both new models. In summary, if you're looking for a cost-sensitive key-based Android mobile computer designed and built by the industry leader, then the MC2200 is the device for you. If you're looking for additional 4G functionality, then the MC2700 is the best way to go. If you have any questions or queries, please reach out to your local Zebra distributor, sales representative, or zebra.com for more information.